are filming
Yeah,
this.
can I use it?
Eu fico rindo dessa porra.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Holy cow. Oh my god. Her reaction wasn't great.
Yeah.
You scared me, so I know it's coming.
Fucking hell, man. I was gonna say it's like trash out.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We should have seen the camera. We should have seen the camera. Who said that? Oh! Don't remember. Okay, look at that. Look at this. This is gonna be nice.
baby.
It will come, you know, in the box like this. So, like this. Yeah, definitely this year. Well, people will just freak out on this song. So, alright. Let's take it downstairs. All this too dusty here.
Hello, hello. Happy Halloween. Hello, hello.
Giusto, per favore. Io ho una cosa.
Ik had het al door, ik had nog wel een keer.
Хе-хе. Привет. Have a nice day. On YouTube, Nixar channel.
Is this going anywhere?
Oh my god! Why the fuck would you do that? Did you not see him standing with the camera, girl? We're really glad.
I love the bush. I love the bush. I love the bush. All the green. Jesus Christ, man. That was a closer. He was getting that, man.
Oh, that was good. Yes, we are on YouTube.
Oh my god!
You get caught by the English.
Oh my god! That was kind of scary.
We were back in Oh, fuck it up.
Oh my god!
That's so good.
I'm 22, I'm old. Can you please send that? Like, where can we see that?
YouTube.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my Jesus Christ!
Hehe.
Oh my god! Here, giving him money for you. Oh my god.
The winter is coming. Oh, I'm about to destroy my office. The winter is coming.
Me cago en tu puta madre. Wow. Wow, te pasas.
Oh, he's oh my god.
Get going on, because it's all of you.
Yeah. Next time, guys.
Next time.
Yeah.
I can't actually. You take that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You part of him.
Yeah. He's
We're
my
together. No, I
on YouTube Nixar channel.
can't.
Nixar, yeah. No, you know Bushman in Dublin.
I wish I'd known about this. I would have put on makeup.
Now you know.
Nick, what if
Nixar, yeah. Here is Nixar,
I'm
yeah.
looking that up.
Yeah.
And how do I find it? What's it called?
Nixar, here, watch. Yeah.
That's
Then-
terrifying.
Bye.
When will that be up?
When? You know we got through.
Here, I have to walk back at the end of the store. That's
Bye. See you next time.
I can make my own house. You get me as well.
I saw you before.
Okay, bastard! I knew! I'm after running into the Bushman leaf people.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, this one. Let me see. This one is an old one, like, you know, even when I was like, I didn't have many, how can I say, like much budget to use, and I had to improvise, and then I bought this one and then added a few leaves here by myself, and it was very hard to sew it to this, because this is silicone and this is plastic, I mean, so it was very hard to sew the needle through the silicone. But you know what? It was a really good video. Maybe I should do it again. I'll see. I'll just put it aside and I'll find a way to use this one as well. Yeah. Maybe I'll jump from the box with this one. That's actually a good idea.